Hello class, this is Dr. Butler. Several of you have asked for a little explanation on assignment 1-2, which is, I believe I mentioned it in the last video, where it is a combination of a graphic and a little bit of explanation and how the the critical elements of authority, autonomy, and conflict management relate to the organization structures. What I want to do is briefly give you a quick run through on what a good approach to take with this assignment. Let's start here with going to Learning Module 1, and let's go down to the last activity 1-2, and I'm going to pull out the rubric real quick. I already have it pulled up here. So you need to be able to describe the authority and its importance for project managers in the context of the organization structure. And that's what I pointed out in the last video. The same thing with autonomy in the context of the organizational structure and conflict management. You need to be able to apply resources here. At least one resource will be required for this particular assignment and cite it. What I've done here is this is the rubric. Make sure you review the rubric. You get it directly out of the learning module. And what I'm going to do is minimize this and go to a little graphic representation. I think this is something that pretty well takes care of what we need to do here. At the top, I've got the different organizational structures. Now, you'll need to find those. Those are in Learning Module 1. I think it's Section 9, 9.01, something like that. Each one of those, if there's 3 of them, you need to be able to describe that organizational structure and in the graphic, and also be able to have a column here to be able to relate each one of the items such as items such as authority, autonomy, and conflict management. At the bottom here, you can list the critical elements associated with each one of these items. And then you can take an arrow and take it right up to this side of the graphic up here and show how, say, authority links up with organizational structure too. So you may have several arrows going across here. You may have 2 of them going to one and maybe only one going to the third one here. So there's a whole combination of different arrays. That's what I'll be looking for, is how well you can identify what the critical elements are and specifically link those directly to the organizational structure. And make sure you describe the organizational structure. So you can put your reference here. I'm going to put another video out on exactly how you cite the MindEdge shortly. We'll probably do it first thing in the morning, so I need to get that resolved, but you will need at least one reference for this particular assignment. So I hope this helps get you started with this assignment. If you have any questions, please put it on the General Questions tab. Thank you.